Today we're checking out the MICTUNING Car LED Interior Strip Light Kit, a 10-in-1 RGB Multicolor ambient lighting setup with a massive 470 inches of fiber optic cable. If you're looking to give your car's interior a serious glow up, this is it. Inside the box you get 10 lighting strips connected to a single control unit, plus 470 inches of fiber optic. That's almost 40 feet. You can run lighting across your dash, doors, center console, and more. It's powered through a USB connection, which makes installation easy without cutting into your car's wiring. You've got two control options: the included remote for quick changes, or the app on your phone for full customization. So with the remote, you can turn it on, you can turn it off, you can control the brightness, intensity, up and down, you can select different colors, you can have it change 4 different strategies for changing. I like the fade. You can set it to music or to a beat and change it. Pretty cool. With the app, you can adjust colors, brightness, and lighting effects, or even set it to sync with your music. The fiber optic cable gives you a continuous smooth glow, no visible light dots like some cheaper LED strips. You just tuck the cable into the trim gap, and the included mounting tools make it simple to get a clean, professional look. What I really like about this kit is how much coverage you get. 10 strips means you're not just lighting up one area, you can customize the whole cabin. Plus, it's flexible, so you can set it up exactly how you want. If you want to transform your car's interior and make night driving a lot more fun, the MICTUNING 10-in-1 RGB fiber optic lighting kit is a solid choice.